this is a big milestone for me in What's going on, guys? Matty A, the six-figure flipper, or I don't know, I might actually have to change my name now that I'm buying commercial real estate. You know, it's funny, I told myself I've been, you know, mastering single-family real estate in my 20s, buying rentals for single family and duplexes and quadplexes and flipping houses. And I told myself in my 30s, I'm gonna step into the big leagues. I'm gonna take that next step up and start making some big boy money. And that was naturally the progression of getting into commercial real estate, whether that was, you know, multifamilies or retail or industrial or office or whatever it may be, right? And I really started narrowing down that I wanted to focus on multifamily and I wanted to focus on retail. And this amazing opportunity, when I manifested it and put it out into the universe in Q1 of this year, one of my brokers who I've done a lot of business with over the years brought me this opportunity. And in one of the previous vlogs that you guys probably saw, I ended up signing and closing on this opportunity. And I'm really excited about this because it's obviously a long-term wealth building asset, but it's bringing in a significant amount of passive income. Passive meaning that, you know, I got other individuals paying my mortgage and there's some cash left over at the end of the month. But I figured I would take you guys by and really run through the numbers, show you the property. Okay, Siri, I hear you. And let you guys check it out, show you guys kind of the setup with how the tenants are you know, positioned in this building, what my plans are to optimize the rents, to optimize the condition. There's a ton of development going on around this area. It's already in a great area, but there's a lot of development closing in on this area. And long-term wise, I think it's gonna be an amazing investment. So I figured I'd bring you guys along, run through some of the things that I'm starting to dig into as now the owner of the property, to figure out how I can really position this asset to give me the greatest return with the least amount of time and effort and energy that goes into it. So let's go. All right, we're here at my baby. All these people are gonna be like, what is this dude doing out here? So this is the commercial property. So it is made up of two main buildings. You can see here, one of the anchor tenants is the liquor store. Liquor stores, they last through good and bad times, right? When the economy's good, people spend money. When the economy's bad, people are buying even more alcohol. So this is one of my anchor tenants. Seeing just how many cars are in the parking lot, you know, that means that we're getting good traffic through here. We have a handful of other, you know, businesses in here. Surprisingly, the pet groomer, Wags to Riches, clever name, I like that marketing, is one of the longest standing tenants as well. Most of the other tenants are all locked into at least 2 or 3 year leases, as they are also graduating leases, so they climb up a little bit and increase, which is great for cash flow over time. My biggest challenge and opportunity is going to be that cafe and that deli. So the cafe and the deli, she's just not doing a ton of business, and it's on the main street, which has big impressions, a lot of traffic going by there. So I'm trying to think of, you know, she is actually been having some problems keeping up with the rent, or been paying a little bit late. She still pays, but paying a little bit late. So over time, not sure if she's gonna be able to stay there. I want to, that's perfect for like a national anchor type of tenant, a Jamba Juice, a Subway, a restaurant, a Starbucks, or a coffee shop. Being that there's a lot of stuff happening in this area. Those are 3 national tenants that I've looked into getting into there, and they like signing long-term leases. So we'll see what happens, but let's go look around a little bit. The record store, graphics, banners, and signs. We got Wags to Riches.
Dang, that place is
nice.
Getting some business.
And we got the arts. And then we got the restaurant, cafe and bakery. But But as you can see, this is like the main strip. So a lot of traffic by here, and they're actually doing a lot of gentrification in this area. And here's my favorite part about this that really gets me excited is this lot right here is zoned and just got approved for a massive development. So whoever did that zoning is probably going to end up trying to sell it off to a developer. Maybe they take it through development, maybe they don't. Just because it got approved doesn't mean that something's going to start getting built there. However, once that gets built and something goes on that site, this building right here immediately shoots up in value. So that's really exciting. We got some stuff that we need to do here on the property. You know, this sign definitely needs to be improved and updated over time. Just the facade, right? Just to make it feel a little bit newer, a little bit nicer. But overall, it's in actually really good condition. So I'm excited. I want to run you guys through kind of the financials on it, just so you can understand, you know, my mortgage payment on this is X, what the gross operating income is Y, what the expenses are Z, and then based on what the trading cap rate is in this area, not only can I, you know, get an idea of what the value is on this building and how much equity I have in it based on what I purchased, but also how much my net operating income is at the end of the year, and based on the cash that I invested into it, what the return on that cash is, what's left over at the end of the day. So passive income makes me happy. This building makes me happy. Appreciate you guys checking out this video. We're gonna do a breakdown of the financials in the next video, so be sure to stay tuned, like it, subscribe it, stay tuned with me on my real estate investing journey. Let me know how I can support you on your real estate investing journey. If you wanna know more how to get started investing in real estate, I have free training that you can sign up for anytime that you want. Click the link below in the show description. See you guys in the next video. Peace!